If you're tired of messy email chains just to assign simple tasks and deadlines, this video will show you how to streamline everything in under 3 minutes. No inbox overload, no back and forth, just clarity and action. And by the end, I'll share how you can get exclusive access to the same software I personally tested and recommend only for viewers of my channel. So let's get straight into it. First, ditch the email chain. The moment you need to assign a task or set a deadline, open the software we'll be using. Link for the free trial is in the description below. What makes this one different is how fast it is to create and delegate work without wasting time on explanations or follow-ups. Click New Task, give it a clear title, something like Client Proposal Draft or Update Landing Page Copy. Then, right underneath, assign it to a team member using their name or email. You don't need to send them a separate message. They'll get a notification instantly, along with the deadline and all the task details. Speaking of deadlines, just set it with one click. The built-in calendar lets you drag and drop the due date, and even set start times or reminders if needed. Again, no back and forth emails to confirm. It's all tracked in real time. Want to add more context? Use the description box for quick bullet points or attach relevant files, docs, images, links. You can even tag team members for comments using I, just like you would on social. Everything stays inside the task thread. No more digging through email threads to find what someone said or sent. Now here's a feature I love, real-time progress tracking. As soon as someone starts working, they can move the task into In Progress, mark it as blocked, or set it to Done. You'll know exactly where things stand, without having to chase anyone down. And yes, this software works across mobile and desktop. If you're managing a team or even just collaborating with freelancers, this keeps everyone aligned without you being the middleman in an endless email chain. Now, key takeaway, assigning tasks and deadlines doesn't have to clog your inbox. If you want accountability, clarity, and speed, you need a system that works without relying on email. Quick recap. Open the software and create a new task. Assign it with one click. Set a clear deadline using the calendar. Add any relevant details or files directly in the task. Monitor progress without ever writing another just checking in email. If you want to follow along and set this up for yourself or your team, I've linked the exclusive free trial in the description. This is the same one I tested across multiple platforms, and this trial is only available through my channel. Grab that free trial below, start assigning tasks without email chains, and I'll see you in the next one.